In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from image in Google Docs. If you've ever tried to do this directly inside Docs, there isn't a built-in background remover in the free version. The easiest workaround is to remove the background first using a free website, then insert the cleaned image into your document. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get professional looking results quickly. Start by opening your web browser and going to removebg.bg. This site uses automated background detection to cut out the subject of your photo and make the background transparent. Have the image you want to use saved on your computer so it's easy to upload. If your picture has a clear subject and good contrast, you'll usually get the best results. Also, keep a copy of your original image in case you want to try again or compare versions later. On the website, upload your image and click the option to remove the background. The tool will analyze the photo and generate a preview with the background removed. Take a moment to look closely at edges like hair, glasses, or any intricate shapes. If the preview looks good, you're ready for the download. If it doesn't, try a version of the image with better lighting or a simpler background for a cleaner cutout. Once the background is removed, download the edited image to your computer. For use in Google Docs, a PNG file is ideal because it preserves transparent backgrounds, which helps the image blend seamlessly with your document. Save it somewhere you can quickly find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. If the site offers size options, choose the highest quality available to keep your image crisp in the document. Now switch to your Google Doc. Go to Insert, choose Image, and then select the option to upload from your computer. Locate the PNG you just downloaded and insert it. You should see your subject with the background removed, placed directly onto your page. From here, you can resize the image by dragging the corners and use the text wrapping options to position it exactly where you want it. Transparent edges will look clean against the white page or any colored shapes you add behind it. And that's all there is to it. You remove the background on the website, download the transparent PNG, and insert it into Google Docs. With this simple process, you can create polished documents, reports, and presentations without leaving your browser. Thanks for watching and happy editing.